Want glowing, fresh skin? Let's make a natural vitamin C face wash that you can use daily. You'll need 1 tablespoon orange peel powder, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons rose water. Mix well until you get a smooth, creamy cleanser. That's your brightening face wash, ready in seconds. Apply it to a damp face and gently massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. This vitamin C face wash removes dirt, fades dullness, and brightens skin naturally. Orange peel powder is rich in antioxidants that unclog pores and fight pigmentation.